and welcome to this slightly different cosplay tutorial. Now recently I made a Han Solo cosplay, but he never travels alone. He needs his Chewbacca, and who better to fill this role than our own little corgi monster. So in this video I will show you how to make Chewbacca's utility belt for slightly smaller Wookiees. Let's go! First up, I needed to get my measurements for my little monster. How long and wide the belt had to be, plus an extra strap so the belt would not fall off. After all, she doesn't exactly have shoulders like Chewie. I 3D printed some white rectangles, but a basic shape like this is very easy to make in any other material as well. I made 5 smaller pieces that was 5 by 1.5 by 1 centimeter. And 4 larger pieces that was 5 by 4 by 1 centimeter. I chose not to paint them just in case the little sniffer decided to lick them somehow, but I'm sure you can put color on your material if you seal it well or cover it with fabric or something. I cut out the belt pieces and the little pouch of the measurements I took. So I had the belt, the pouch with a lid, the extra security strap, and also a long strip of fabric to sew the ammo on after. For the sewing, I started off making the pouch, as that is where all the straps will be attached. Then I sewed all the edges on the straps before attaching it to the back of the pouch. Time for a fitting test. I tried on the belt to see how easy it came on and off, plus I got to double check if the measurements were good or if I needed to adjust something. Now I could do the final attachments of the security strap, knowing that it fits perfectly. To close the pouch, I used a simple snap button. The last step was using my long piece of fabric to attach all the ammo. I measured with a new piece each time and pinned it before removing the piece and sewing over the mark. And here is my little Chewie, perfect companion for my Han Solo cosplay. High five! Yeah! I hope you liked this video. For more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to support my work, you can always get me a cup of coffee. All links are in the description below. Bye bye!